Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Looking to earn real income with Binance in 2025? In this video, I'll show you 5 proven ways to make money on Binance from passive income to trading, even if you are a beginner. First of all, go to Binance.com or open the Binance app, then log into your account. Click login, enter your email address or continue with Google. Then complete the process. Go back to once you're logged in, first of all, Binance Earn. This is where you can stake or lend your crypto to earn interest. It's like a savings account but for crypto. Go to Earn, then Simple Earn. Choose a coin like USDT. Select USDT. Select flexible withdraw anytime or locked high returns. Confirm the deposit. Perfect for long-term holders, earn passive income while your crypto sits. Next, spot trading. Buy low and selling high. Binance makes it beginner friendly with a basic view and tons of trading pairs. Go to trade, then spot. Choose a pair like BTC or a BTC and USDT. Buy the low price, sell it at profit. Start small, learn basic, support or resistance, and never risk more than you can lose. With P2P trading, you can buy and sell crypto directly with people using bank transfers, e-wallets, and more. Go to trade, then P2P. Choose a seller or buyer. Use local currency like USD, BDT, INR. Complete transaction safely within Binance. Great for traders in countries with banking restrictions. No fees from Binance. Binance lets you earn by inviting friends. You get up to 40% commission on their trading fees. Go to account, then click referral. Copy the referral link, click share now, copy the referral ID, then click invite friends, share via social media, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, Reddit, WhatsApp via link. Create helpful content like tutorials, reviews, or comparison videos and add your link. Want to earn free tokens? Check out Launchpool and Airto. Binance often rewards early supporters with new tokens. Visit Binance Launchpad or Launchpool from more section. Earn new project coins before they hit the market. Some airdrops have made people thousands just by stacking or holding tokens early. Crypto is risky, so before you jump in, follow these steps. Never invest money you can't afford to lose. Use two-factor security. Start with low cap trades or passive options. Take profits regularly. Use a demo account or test with $10 first. Binance Earn stacking and savings, spot trading, P2P, referrals, and Launchpool. That's the full recap. You can earn with affiliate, earn up to 50% commission per trade from referrals. Just click on it and click join now and follow the process. And that's how to make money on Binance in 2025. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Drop a comment with Binance affiliate tips. I will replay with a bonus guide to passive crypto income. Thanks for watching.